let's start with the letter. Okay, this is my document now. Already we have seen
Okay,
these
sir.
two tools, one, two, and this shape we
Yeah.
have seen. Okay, shape and frame we
Yes,
have
sir.
seen. We'll see the next option
Yeah.
now. Page tool, gap tool, content collector tool, content placer tool, text tool, line tool, okay, pencil tool.
Yeah.
We'll see this many options today. Okay, if
Okay.
possible, if we have time, we'll discuss other option also. Okay.
Okay,
Let's
sure.
start with the first one, gap. What's it? Page tool now. This one. Okay, right
Page
now we
one.
can see we are having multiple pages on this one, so we can go to the page tool and we can access this one now. First of all, what I'll do, I'll place this all panels properly
Yeah.
because it is got compressed in this area. Let me properly place it. Yeah, page tool, I'll move it outside. Right now we can see swatches is there. I'm keeping inside these swatches, I'm keeping the properties, I'm keeping the page panel. Okay, text wrap panel, right now it is not needed, but if you want you can keep it inside the character and paragraph panel over here. Next,
Okay, sir.
table option is there. If you want you can organize the table option also, but right now it
Okay.
is not needed, so I'll close this one. Later I'll open it now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so now we can take the pages, multiple pages here. Now facing pages will come here now whenever you are taking this one.
Yeah.
Okay, now example, if I want to edit any page, so select this one, go and select the page, which page you want to edit. Now we can change the size, orientation, and
Yeah.
other properties which are available inside this one.
Yeah.
Right now
Yeah.
I've selected this one. Let's say the orientation. Now what happened, all other pages are same orientation, only one is changing,
Yeah.
this one, that is this one now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even if you want to have a size for this one, you can have a size also. Let's say example, business card, we can see we got a small size.
Yes, sir.
Okay, select this one. If you want you can modify manually, but it will not change any value in this one. When you are
Okay.
manually changing, it will not change, but if you are changing with the value, it will change automatically.
Yeah.
Okay, again I'm changing the orientation to normal. Let's have this one as the letter option. So now we can see
Okay.
everything's got settled on this.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how the page tool can be useful for you for editing the page, modifying the page, okay, or choosing the size and orientation from here. Okay,
Okay.
second option is there, gap tool. Gap tool, we need first object, then only with the gap tool will be useful. Zoom on this area and try to create an object in this one. Zoom, take
Okay.
the color and fill the color inside this one. Right
Okay.
now I'm having one object. Now I'm creating one more of this same object. Let's change this one to other color.
Okay.
Now right now I'm having two objects, so I'll make it one more option, that is third object also.
Okay,
Let's
sir.
change the color to red color on this one. Now see, just take the gap tool, place the cursor here. Can you see?
Yeah.
So this gap tool, what it does, it will adjust the gap and as well as it will modify the object. See here.
Okay.
So it is adjusting the gap for and as while adjusting the gap, it
Okay.
is modifying the object and it is compressing or expanding, we can say, from
Yeah.
all
Yeah.
sides. From all sides it will do. See, okay, from which side you want to
Okay.
compress and which side you want to expand, that is your choice. You can expand and you can compress. See now this one
Yes.
from this
Yes.
side, and in between these two objects also you can modify. Now see, I can compress it. One object I can compress, one object I can expand it.
Okay.
Similarly, when you place this one over here, this will adjust the border line in this one. When you adjust here now,
Yeah.
here it is not showing anything. Let's see. Let me adjust it here. Now if you can see, second, over here now, when you place it, still it is doing the same adjustment. Means the object should be overlapped, then only it will adjust. Now see, it should have this much of gap in this now. So to adjust it now, see.
Right.
Okay, so we can adjust, means this gap tool is meant for modifying the object and adjusting the gap in this. Okay,
Okay.
it can be on the page corner to object or in between objects also. Okay,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is what gap tool. And next option is content collected tool and content placer tool. Content collector in the sense we can collect the content from here now. So example, I want to pick this one, I can pick this one, I can pick this one now. Even if you are having any text option also,
Okay.
okay, let's say
Yeah.
example, welcome. Now I want to pick the text also. Go to the content collector tool, take the text also in this one. See. Now
Yeah.
whenever you want to place in the same page, I mean same document in other page, or else you want to take the new document. New document is
Okay.
also possible. Okay, see this new document. Now I want to place the pink color now. Now
Yeah.
whenever you want to use this placer tool, you have placer tool over here now. This is what content collector. This is what placer tool. And
Places. Yeah.
same thing is available here also. Collector and placer. Let's select the placer option now. See, it is activated this arrow now. First one, I want to project this pink color on this one. Right now it is showing blue color. I want pink color to be placed on this
Yeah.
one. Use this arrow, bring your pink color in the forward, then go and click this one to fill the means to place the object onto the canvas now. Come back to the previous
Okay.
object in last page of this one. I want to place the blue color now. So simple option, go and click this arrow to have a blue color on the canvas and click here now. And I want text
Okay.
also in this one. Text also we can use arrow to place the text on this one. See.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'll go with the other page now on this one. Other page I want to take the red color text now. See, like this we can place the content. Now when we want, we
Yeah.
can collect the content and we can place the content anytime we like it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
So this is what content collector and content placer tool also. Next option, line tool
Okay.
is there for drawing the line, horizontal line, vertical line, angle line. You can
Right.
draw
Yeah.
in place of this one now. Okay, you can draw like this now.
Okay, sir.
Even if you want to adjust the properties and all, we have a stroke panel in this one. We can go and we can
Okay.
increase the size of the stroke. Okay.
Yeah.
Second
So for
one,
this, if we press shift, we get a straight line.
yeah, correct.
Okay.
Now example, I want to have a little thicker line on this one. Zoom and see. Right now this is my line. It is flat actually.
Yeah.
I want to make it round now.
Yeah.
So we can have a round option also.
Okay.
So one more option is there, like this point we can see whenever you select this direct selection, you can see this point is starting here, but this outer line is coming. I don't want this one. Now what happen
Yeah.
now if you don't apply this one? This is flat, we can say.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, another option is there. Okay, that is projecting option, projecting cap. What will happen? This pointer, starting pointer will have a small outer portion for this one also.
Yeah.
So whenever you are using the line, you can use this all properties in this. Okay, now with this
Okay.
one metered option we are having, we can use the metered, nothing but this option. Whenever you are applying this option, then only this option will be
Yeah.
useful for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After this one, you can change the style of the line. Then whatever you want, you can so you can put the starting arrow and ending arrow if you want it.
Yeah.
Select the sizes and define the sizes for this one. Link you remove. Manually you provide this one as 50%, so that what happened? The arrow size got decreased. Okay,
Okay,
now
sir.
I want to change this style to other style now, we can see. You can see now. Okay, now this
Yes, sir.
other side of this one, I want to increase this one to 200 now. See, I can increase this value.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what starting arrow, ending arrow. This is what line spacing, sorry, line style we can say, and whatever the gap we can have. Gap can be filled with the color. Now you can see this gap is there. That gap filling can be done with the yellow color, yellow or whatever color you want. You can choose it.
Okay.
Okay, the opening of the line style we can say. Now example for this one, we can apply this all properties. Okay, and we can have inside and outside option, expansion and compress we can say.
Yeah.
Okay, and last option, okay, that is tint. Tint is nothing but opacity decrease we can say for this color, fill color we can say.
Okay.
Okay, we can increase and decrease the opacity for this one. So these are the properties, and this is allowed for the box now we can say. Take a rectangle, draw the box
Yeah.
on this canvas. Let me apply the thickness. Right now we can see, zoom on this area to see this, control plus. Right now you can see the corner which we have, Let me make it around 10 so that you can see clearly. Now right now we are having what do we say, sharp corner, that is okay, metered, then round we can say, and then chamfer we can say. Can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
Now if you want, you can round, sorry, not this one, you can apply this round, or else you can apply the flat one also. Flat in the sense sharp edge we can say.
Yeah.
Similarly, the other option is what? Alignment. Alignment. Can you see the line over here in the middle?
Yeah, yes, sir.
This is nothing but the stroke is been applied on both sides, inside and outside. I want only inside now, so I have inside portion. Now see, the line is outside, the size is coming inside this one now.
Inside,
Similarly, I
yes.
want outside the stroke now, so it will go outside the stroke now. You can see this one, inside,
Yeah.
center, and outside for this one. Okay, you can apply the
Okay.
stroke value like this now.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is your
Yes, sir.
stroke panel. You can see. Stroke panel.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so line tool consists of this option now. Under this one, we are
Yeah.
having line option also. Okay, so 1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7 we have completed.
Yeah.
Okay, let's come
Yeah.
to the pencil tool now. Under pencil tool, we have pencil, smooth, and eraser tool. Let's start with the pencil tool.
Okay.
Now, example, some drawing I want to draw on this one. Now we can see I have drawn some shape, but right now it is not perfect.
Yeah.
I need to make it perfect.
Yeah.
Now before making perfect, what I'm doing, I'm making a copy so that we can see what modification we are doing in this one.
Yeah.
Take this tool and take the smooth tool on this one.
Okay.
Okay, draw this on this one. Now see what happened. Nice smooth shape we got it now on this also.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, just simply click and drag over here to have a smoothness. Now see, and same thing on this side now.
Yeah.
Okay, like this you can apply for applying the smoothness on this.
Okay.
Okay, so like this you can maintain your smoothness on this one. Okay, right now this is what smooth tool, and first option is your normal drawing tool we can say, nothing but pencil tool. Now another option is there, eraser tool. Eraser in the sense the path will get erased from certain point to certain point.
Okay.
What happened? The path is been erased by using the pencil tool we can say.
Yeah.
So this is what do you say, pencil option,
Yeah. Eraser.
eraser option,
Smooth and
and
eraser.
smooth option. So now whenever you are
Okay.
using eraser, what will happen? You are breaking this object into multiple pieces. See now, this is separate piece, this is
Yeah.
separate, and this is separate again. All are separate pieces now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, like this you can draw it. So Control A and delete this all now. Okay, so this is clear
Okay.
now. Line tool.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next option, text tool we are having. Let's take the text tool. Two options we are having, only two. Take the text tool,
Okay.
simply click and drag to draw the box also. Okay, once you have
Okay.
drawn, you can place the text. Okay, let's go to the text. One second, lorem ipsum. Lorem ipsum site now. This is the website where we can get the dummy text we can see.
Okay.
Now under this one we can have the option like paragraphs do you want, word you want, byte you want, list you want.
Okay.
Okay, under this one you can decide what you want it. Now once it is done, you can say generate. Now how many paragraphs you are taking? 5. So I'm
Five.
making only 3 paragraphs on this one.
Okay.
Now click here now. Now we can click this one. Now we got this information with 3 paragraphs. Copy this
Yeah.
one, copy this one, come back inside this InDesign file and try to paste one. Before pasting, what we need to do, we need to decrease the size of this font here. Right now it is 12,
Yeah.
maybe around 10 I'll make it on this one, and Control V to paste it. Okay, delete
Okay.
this starting point. Why? Because no space is needed over here. Right now you
Yeah.
can see. Now this is placed over here right now. Okay, what we need, what we need to do, you can see this red color icon over here. Can you see this icon?
Yes, sir.
If this plus sign icon indicates what? So means you are having more text inside this box now. Simple
Okay.
option. We can do adjustment from the width and then height also to balance the text on this one. See.
Okay.
So text I am balancing. I'm also keeping the outside text on this one. See now. Now if you have more text,
Yes.
you can expand it. Now maximize this one as a width also. Why? Because we have taken 3 paragraphs. Now that red color is icon gone now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so now when you decrease it, you will be having that icon. When you increase more than
Okay,
your text size, now that icon will be gone on this one.
okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is what paragraph information. Whenever we are writing this paragraph, we can write using the option here. What is it? Type option.
Type. Okay.
Second option, we are having type on path. Type on path in the sense when we can create an object and we can write text on that particular object. We can say take this elliptical tool, type on path. Okay, just place the cursor and click on this one and write information on this.
Okay.
You can see right now I have placed this text. Now I
Yeah.
have put the text on this one. Now example, right now you can
Okay.
see this is not balancing the shape here. It should come here. Now it
Yeah.
should stop here on this one. So what I'll do, I'll select this one, zoom on this area, zoom, see
Okay.
here clearly. You can see two lines over here.
Yes, sir.
This is for ending of the text. Now see what happened when I drag this one. When you see the small black color arrow with the line, then you drag it.
Yeah.
What happened?
Okay.
It got compressed.
Yeah.
Okay, similarly if I want completely back again, you can list it out like this so that you can see all the properties in this one. Similarly, I am
Okay.
placing the cursor on the starting point and drag it down to adjust this one. Now see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now like this we can adjust it. Now later if you want to change the color and all, we can change the color and all for this one. Okay,
Okay.
or else if you want to change anything, you can change it on this one. Let's say example, fill color, I want it now. Select this one and delete
Yeah.
it. I don't want any more text this one. Now see, no, delete it now. I don't want this
Okay.
text to be deleted, only object should be deleted. Now take the
Okay.
selection tool, select this object and delete it. What happened in this case, both cases, it is deleting the object and
Text.
text also. Simple option,
Yeah.
double click, right click on this one. Now here is
Okay.
the option. Break option will be there in this one, so we can break this one now. Right now, where is this? Okay, now simple option is, otherwise what you do, just double click on this outline so that it will select this line. Okay, and
Yeah.
click on this one and delete this only object, we can say. Normally once see, select this one, double click and make selection of this object and delete it. Now what is it is not deleting this one, so what I do,
Yeah.
just move this outside. It is going into the editing mode actually. So what we can do, we can
Yeah.
actually break this one. One second, where is the break option? Convert to points, convert to shape. 1 minute, let me see. So right now maybe this option is not available.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's continue this one. If I don't want to, if I don't want to use this property now, double click on this one, go and hide. Sorry, select this object and go into this one and say remove fill and remove outline. So it will not be visible for you as an outline. Only text will be
Okay.
there with the round size, but we don't have anything shown on this one. Now see,
Yeah.
zoom out and click outside so that you cannot see anything on this one. See. Right now this is what object, what is it, type on path, we can say. One is area type
Okay.
tool and one is what do we
Type
say,
on
type
path.
on path. Okay, now for area type
Okay.
tool, now we can select this property and we can use the property. We have seen few properties on this one. Character panel
Yeah.
we have seen. Under character we can have font. We can go to the font and we can create a style for this one. Second one, style we can create for this one, bold or regular option. Size we can say how the
Yeah.
size you want, you can decrease and increase the size.
Okay.
Okay, let make it a little less. Next, line spacing, we can increase and decrease the line spacing how much you required. Okay, and then other property, that is spacing between the characters, if you want you can apply.
Yeah.
I'll make it 0. And finally last option, that is rotation of the text on this one. We can go and we can
Okay.
rotate each and every letter of the text on this one. Select. Okay, now let me take this one. So we have this property, we can use this property. If you want to rotate this is individual object, we can rotate it also. Select. Now you can see it is looking like italic
Okay.
word. Still it is not an italic
Yeah.
word. We are changing the properties now. Example, let's make
Yeah.
it as 180 degrees and see now. Last is what? 85 minus and 85 plus now. So
80. Yeah.
make it 85 and see now. You can see right now.
Okay.
And in place
Yeah.
of 89, make it 0 so that you can see normal, and 85 minus
Yeah.
also. Minus 85. And enter on this one. See? Okay. So this is
Yeah.
not that much useful option for us. So we can
Yeah.
ignore this one. But if the one option is there, you can use this one. If you want, you can use this one. Okay. So this
Oh.
is regarding your character
Okay.
option. Similarly, paragraph
Yeah.
option, alignment will be there. Left alignment, right alignment, center, and justify
Yeah.
option. Next one, spacing from the left side, we can apply from the left
Yeah.
side. Left side spacing, right side spacing. Okay, and then first line indent, only first line will move.
Okay.
Then spacing. Okay, so spacing we can apply for a certain objects. We can say before and after paragraph, if you want you can apply that one also. But right now line spacing is there, we can apply line spacing. And before after, if you want any paragraph spacing, we can apply this paragraph spacing now. Okay, and apply the value for giving more spacings after or before, we can say. Okay, is it clear this point?
Yes.
So this
Yes,
is
sir.
regarding your text and this property. What is this? Paragraph property.
Paragraph. Okay.
So this complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tools we have done. Then 10 and
Yeah.
11. We have left with the
Yeah.
pen tool. Okay, pen tool. If it is pen tool is completed, we'll see the other
Yeah.
option also. If you want, I can continue
Okay.
this one. It will take hardly 15
Sure, sir.
minutes to complete the tools.
Sure, sir. No problem.
Okay, so take the pen tool. So first one, click and drag this one object to create a shape on this one. Straight line drawing.
Yeah.
Similarly, curve line drawing, if you want, click and drag this one to have a nice curve on this one.
Okay.
Okay, if you don't want this handle, Alt and click in the middle to remove this one. Can you see the pen tool with the V sign?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Once it is appear, we can remove this one handle now. See, continue on this one. Alt and click to remove.
Okay.
Now continue this one. Again, Alt and click to remove one-sided handle on this one. See now, it is done.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can apply like this now. So what is this tool? Add, pen tool on this one. Second option is the
Yeah.
add anchor point tool. Right now I don't have any sharp edge in this one, and we want more smoothness on this one. So I've added the point. Select this point and try to grab it. We got a straight line on this one. Whereas this
Yeah.
one, whereas over here now it has applied the smoothness. Why? Because it is by default smooth here.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
When you have a surface which is flat, it will give you sharp edge. Whenever you are using smooth, you can use in smooth option. This one.
Smooth. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So next option, add anchor point tool will add the points in this one. Already you have seen how to add the point. Delete
Yeah.
anchor point will delete the points whichever
Delete.
unwanted option is there.
Unwanted points. Okay.
You just click and see and apply it.
Yeah.
So this is regarding your add anchor point tool and delete anchor point tool. Last option, convert point tool. Convert point tool will click and drag like this to convert into shape in this one.
Okay.
Means whenever you are drawing this one, later if you want, you can convert it like this. N number of shapes you can create it like this now.
Yeah.
If you don't want this one, simple option, click over here to remove this two-sided handle here now. Sharp edges you will get in this one.
Yeah.
Okay, this one will become sharp now. If I want to apply smoothness, what to do? Click and drag this towards right side. Now you
Yeah.
can see this how much width you want, how much depth you want, you can see, and you can adjust it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so this is regarding your pen tool options. Again,
Yeah.
pen tool, add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool, and convert point tool.
Convert.
Okay.
Okay.
Next
Yes, sir.
option, after this one, these options are completed. Let's go to the next
Yeah.
section, that is free transform. Free
Okay.
transform in the sense, freely you can modify the object. Example, let me close, let me select this object properly, make a value here 14 pixels, 15 by 15 we can say. 15 by 15. Now let's take this option. What is a transform tool in this one? Transform tool will allow you to what is it, move the object, okay, and checking the placement and all, okay, and then what is it, modification of the original object you can say, or we can create
Okay.
our own also.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what transformation option. We can increase and decrease the transformation. Second option is what, rotation tool. Just click the reference point and rotate it. Now so what do we say, we can change the reference point if you want in the bottom, or else we can say in the left side also.
Okay.
So now I'll click in the center only, just rotate it. Now see, it is rotating it now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now example, I don't want like this, I want this to be activated now. So activated in the sense, I want to use this as a sign in option. So right now I don't have sign in
Okay.
option, but how to use this one now? Go to the free transform tool, select this pointer and modify this pointer and see this pointer.
Yeah.
Okay, even though it is selecting, let's take the white color option and select this object.
Okay.
Okay, now select this one and try to move outside and inside. Like this we can do the modification. Okay, next option in this one, so handles, we can adjust it like this. We can create a nice handles on this one. Okay, this is regarding your rotation and what do we say, scaling option, this one. Now again,
Scaling.
scaling is different for us now. So scaling, which will take the center point as a reference point, then it will increase the size also, see now.
Okay.
Okay, so like this you can adjust it now using the rotation tool for this one, that is scale tool and rotation tool and shear tool on this one.
Okay.
Okay, now let me delete this one. Example, I have created some colors in this one. So let me select the color, okay, and accept it. Now this is one asset, we got it now. Now I'm taking one more asset of this one, so take the rectangle tool. Okay, let's go to the next option now. So one we have seen, that is rotation, this transformation tool, rotation tool, and scale tool we are having, a shear tool we are having, nothing but skew we can say. Select this option and apply the skew on this one.
Okay.
Okay. Now similarly one more option is there in this one, that is scale tool on this one. Simply place the cursor in the center point and drag it towards right side. Yeah. So now we can see scaling can be done in this way. Scaling can be done, just click and drag in this one, horizontal and vertical. Now if you want to have a proper scaling on those in this one, project the, so project the so
Yeah.
this placement, and we can increase and decrease. Now see, only where height is increasing. Similarly you can increase the width also for balancing the shape now. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is how the transformation option can be useful, but it will transform the colors from one shape to another shape. But if you want to have, you can have the other option. Shear tool is similar to this one.
Okay.
Draw the selection, okay, and modify. One second, let me draw this one more shape. One second, let's go back. Okay, so this is what is a rotation here and this one.
Scale, sure. Yeah.
Next option is scissor tool. Scissor tool, we can cut the object from one corner to another corner, we can say. Go and click on this one to cut this shape. Now select this shape and see
Okay.
it has become separate pieces now.
Okay.
Okay,
Is it same like eraser tools?
yes, yes, similar to that. Okay,
Okay.
but you have to click on the corner point from one corner to another corner. Okay, and
Okay.
here it will
Yeah.
not work. Why? Because it is already deleted one. It will not work on this area now.
Okay.
Okay, so next option, feather option we are having. We can apply the feather, nothing but opacity, we can say. Select this. Let's apply the color for this one as green, pink, we can say. Now let me see this one now. Take this feather option in this one. Just drag the feather towards left side now, like this.
Oh, okay.
Nice shape we got it on this one now. See.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is regarding your feather option, we can say. Feather we
Feather
can apply,
option.
nothing but transparency we can apply to the object. Now it is available here.
Oh,
Directly we can use this
yeah.
feather option. Next option,
Okay.
gradient. Gradient we can apply on this one. Gradient color will be applied on this object.
Okay.
Okay, whatever gradient color you want, you can set the gradient color. Go to Windows, colors option. Let me see. Colors option in this one. Let's go to the gradient color on this one. What happened?
Color.
Let me see where it is. It is only one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is here now. Open the gradient panel. What we need to do? Open the swatches panel also for this one now.
Okay.
Okay. Now what we want this color to be applied to this object now. Select this one,
Yeah.
and after selecting this one, you can select. What happened now? But it got replaced now.
Yeah.
So undo this one, Control Z, select this one, drag and drop what color you want to place it on this one, just on this plus sign now. See what happened? It has created,
Okay.
it has modified that color now. See, and remove this point. Just move this one towards left side now.
Okay.
Second one, I want to add this other color in the right side now. Select this one and bring it dark color also. Light and dark combination.
Okay.
Okay, and next one, other thing, if you want any other thing, you can add this one. Okay. Now what we do is just select this one now. Select this option and apply the linear option on this one. Linear you have now. We are having radial option.
Yeah. Radial.
So we can apply this what do we say, radial option in this one, so it will make a little softer one for this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next option, after this one we have no tool, but we cannot use this one, and this one also we cannot use, nothing but armory we can say. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is it clear? Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is what is it, eyedropper tool, this is what hand tool, and this is what is zoom tool for time being, we can say.
Okay.
Great. Yeah, so
Yes, sir.
try to see this in practice. I'll share the video. Okay, this all
Sure.
tools, zoom tool and hand tool is there. Zoom in for zoom,
Yeah.
and for zoom out, so alt and click to remove that one side, so it will work on
Okay.
only one side. Okay,
Okay.
right. So I'll stop the class. Okay, we have completed
Okay,
the
sir.
tools. We'll see tomorrow. We'll see the
Yeah.
panels. Okay, then we'll see the magazine
Panels.
cover page and inside page. Okay,
Okay. Sure, sir.
right. Bye.
All right. Thank you, sir. Bye.